Yeah. So today I'm doing a tutorial on how to make ukwa. Ukwa is also known as breadfruit. It's a local Anambra cuisine. Anambra is from Nigeria, it's the eastern part of Nigeria. Yeah. I'm from Anambra anyway. Hello. Yeah. So I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make ukwa. Like ukwa is being served to a very very important person. Like when you come to a household and they give you ukwa, just know like, oh my god, you're very very important. Like you're a VIP person. Yeah. So stay tuned and do not go anywhere. So guys, this is the view of all the things we're gonna be using. We're using garlic and ginger, some onions, some crayfish, some dried red pepper, dried scotch bonnet, some salt, some nut cubes, chicken stock, our fresh ukwa, and some water. First of all, we'll add about 3 cups of water in the pot. Then we'll add our ukwa. This is about 4 or 5 cups of ukwa. The ukwa is already washed, so we don't need to wash it. We do not need to wash it. Then we'll stir it and allow it to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so it's 20 minutes already. We need to check on how the ukwa is doing. Yeah. So you can see it's partly cooked, or it's boiling. It's not even cooked at all. We're going to add our ginger and garlic in this process. First, start by adding our garlic. Then we'll add our ginger. We've added our ginger. Then we'll add our onions. And we'll allow it to cook for another. We'll allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. So it's 10 minutes now. Point in time. We're going to add our potash, which is also called akamu, to the ukwa. This is to make it cook quick. So we're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of the potash. And then we'll stir it. This makes the cooking time faster. The potash makes the cooking time faster. Yeah. So allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. At this stage, we're going to add salt, about 3 of this, like that. And we'll add 1 tablespoon of pepper. And 2 tablespoons of crayfish. Add 4 cubes of Nora, our stock cube, and stir. Cover it and allow it to boil for 5 minutes. Then we'll add our dry fish. So at this point, we're gonna add about 3 cups of water. Our dry fish. stir it. I'll allow it to cook for another 10. So check our ukwa to see if it's already cooked. As you can see, our ukwa is just cooked. Yeah, and this is a healthy version on how to eat the ukwa. Yeah, because we're trying to maintain our diet and stop eating any saturated or saturated fat. So yeah, this is the other way. So we just eat it because it has ukwa is protein. It also has fish as well, and you also have like all these herbs and spice in it. Yeah, and just bring it down and it's ready to serve. Okay, so this is what ukwa looks like. Can you see how healthy it is? The cooking time is just long because it needs a longer time for it to cook. So yeah, it's not that hard to make ukwa. Just put in the pot for like always used to make the cooking time faster instead of being slow and taking a longer time and you just being bored and all that here. So I also use dry fish here. You saw that in the video. Yeah, I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, and on Facebook. Thank you for watching and peace out.